After accurately predicting global market meltdown, billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya issued new alert to investors. Billionaire venture capitalist Chamath Palihapitiya is issuing a warning to investors that the market are facing heightened tail risk. In a recent interview, Palihapitiya, who called the impending crypto crash in the late 2021, said that investors currently face two headwinds. The first one involved the possibility of lower than expected earning for the S&P 500.
We're dealing with two things. One is just that if you really think about it, if I had said 13 months ago that we would be sitting here today and the Fed would have hiked, 500 basis points in 9 months, plus or minus, you would have thought it was crazy. So we're sort of like coming into this phase of sobriety, trying to figure out how do we all do our jobs differently, and what does it mean for the investments that we've already put in the ground? And for me personally, I think the setup is that it amplifies tail risk. And so right now, I'm sort of somewhat quite cautious because I think there's a left tail risk, and I think Mike Wilson is here, but if you listen to Mike, who's been really right so far, the risk is that the S&P earnings are sort of with a one handle, 180, 185, and all of a sudden the S&P is, 3,200, 3,300.
For 2022, analysts estimate the S&P 500 printing of $291.48. At the time of making this video, the S&P 500 is trading for $3,982.23. The second risk is the likelihood that the Fed will keep interest rate high.
But then there's this right tail risk, which is that the Fed becomes dovish, everybody capitulates because it looks like things are slowing down. And now all of a sudden, though, you will have to deal with terminal rates that are going to be 4 to 5% on a more consistent basis, because if he lets off the gas now, then inflation kind of sticks around.
Yep.
So both roads lead to repriced assets, just in very different path dependency. And those risks to me are a little heightened. And so I've tried to kind of be quite conservative and just, be down the fairway.